Let go, let God. In Psalm 37 verse 5 says, commit your life to the Lord. Here is what He will do if you trust Him. Now, surrender is not giving up, it's giving over. May mga bagay sa buhay natin na control natin, kaya natin ayusin. Pero may mga bagay din na hindi natin kayang kontrolin, kaya nang ayusin. At may mga bagay that overwhelm us, at yung mga bagay that give us so much stress. And these are the things that we need to surrender to God. See, trusting God with our plans brings peace and clarity. Kaya nga pag sinuko natin kay God yung mga bagay na hindi na natin kaya, hindi na natin kontrolado, nagkakaroon tayo ng kapayapaan, nagkakaroon tayo ng mas clear na direction because we know that there are things that we can do and there are things that only God can do. Sabi nga ni John Calvin, you must submit to supreme suffering in order to discover the completion of joy.